Right, last video, it wasn't right. It is right now, but I just realized what's happened. You see, when I put it on the wheels, right? That's so strange. That's spot on there, and that is spot on there, and that is spot on there.
Level?
Yeah, but I just realized something. This level is knackered.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
If you turn it around, it's off.
It's bent.
It's bent, yeah. Oh, I know. I've been half an hour trying to get this level, and every time I turned it over or around, I got a different reading. Anyway, I was going to say, is that spot on now? It's going to be an eye thing, I think.
This one more fit, will it?
Yeah, I'll try that. No, I won't.
No.
It needs to reach
Yeah.
both.
You should put something straight on top.
Yeah, just a straight edge. Let's see. See you later, mates. I'll have to sort this out.